Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Now, I hope that you are enjoying the topics you have studied with me. Now, the today's topic is guarantee of minimum profits to a partner. So, let us start with this topic that when any of the partner receives guarantee of minimum profits from the firm, in such case, the deficiency, if there is a deficiency remains with that partner, that deficiency of the profit is to be borne by the other partners of the firm in a predetermined ratio. Keep it in mind that there are three things to be noted, that there must be a deficiency, and if deficiency is there, that should be borne by the other partners, as well as the ratio of sharing the deficiency should be predetermined, right? And again, there is another note here that if what happens if nothing has been mentioned about the deficiency sharing ratio, that it has not been mentioned that in what ratio deficiency will be shared, right? The deficiency of the guaranteed partner is shared in which ratio, that has not been determined by the partner, that has not been mentioned by the partners or deed. Then in that case, the other partners will bond this deficiency in their respective profit sharing ratio, right? Whatever their profit sharing ratio is, that would be their deficiency sharing ratio itself. Let us understand with the help of example. Here example is in front of you that Karam, Raj and Geeta are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. So according to deed, Geeta is to get a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as her share in profits every year. So now who is the guaranteed partner here? That Geeta has been provided with the guarantee. So she is the guaranteed partner, and the guarantee giving partners will be Karam and Raj. Keep it in mind that it may happen that the guarantee is given by any of the partner. That is, maybe it happen that Karam can give the whole amount of guarantee, or Raj will be borne the whole amount of guarantee as per provided in the deed or agreement. But if we further study this question, or if we further read out this question, it is given that the net profits for the year ended 31st March 2016 were rupees 40,000. You are required to prepare P&L appropriation account for the distribution of profit, and here you will find that who will bond the deficiency arising to Geeta has not been mentioned here. That if Geeta suffers from deficiency of minimum profit, then who will provide it, that has not been mentioned. So in that case, if nothing has been mentioned, then in that case such deficiency will be borne by both the partners, Karam and Raj. दोनों ही पार्टनर्स इसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे आपस में, या इसे बोन करेंगे गीता को डेफिशिएंसी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए, राइट? एंड इन व्हाट रेशियो दे विल share this deficiency? So they will be sharing this deficiency in the ratio of 5:3. Let us start with the calculations. First of all, these will be your working note part, that some calculations are to be made by you. So let us distribute the profit of rupees 40,000 during the year among the three partners, Karam, Raj and Geeta, in the respective ratio 5:3:2. So they will be getting these as their profit share. Amount rupees 20,000 for Karam, Raj's share will be 12,000 and Geeta's share will be rupees 8,000. So these are the respective amounts of Karam, Raj and Geeta. Now we have to compare the guaranteed partner's profit share with the amount of guarantee provided to him or her, right? We have to compare these two contents. Geeta, she was the guaranteed partner. She received the guarantee from other partners. So his actual share is 8,000 rupees. She is getting 8,000 rupees as her share of profit, although the minimum guarantee given to her was rupees 10,000. So the deficiency is there of rupees 2,000, and that would be borne by Karam and Raj in the ratio of 5:3. Because nothing has been mentioned here, then in that case the other partners will borne this deficiency in their profit sharing ratio itself. So they will distribute it in ratio 5:3. So the amount becomes, this 2000 deficiency will be divided as follows: 2000 into 5/8 and 2000 into 3/8, and the amount becomes 1250 and 750. So now how you are required to prepare P&L appropriation account, we are going to discuss this in further solution. You have prepared the format of P&L appropriation. It is for the year ending 31st March 2016. It has been mentioned clearly. So Here are your columns, particulars amount, this is the debit side, and particulars amount for the credit side. Now, as it has been defined in the question that the net profits for the year were rupees 40,000. So we have entered 40,000 rupees here, right? And the amounts have been distributed as follows. Karam's actual profit was 20,000. Raj's actual share was 12,000 and Geeta was getting 8,000 rupees as her share of profit. But due to deficiency occurred to Geeta, the share of profit share of Karam and Raj will be reduced to 18,750 and 11,250. So the actual share, although Karam was getting, is 20,000, but because the guarantee was to be given to Geeta, so the amount of share 1250 of Karam's share 1250 that has been deducted out of his share of profit and has been provided to Geeta. It has been added to Geeta's share. Similarly, guarantee provided by Raj to Geeta that was of rupees 750 and that has been deducted out of Raj's share and has been added to Geeta's share. So Geeta's profit, which were earlier 8,000, these have become 10,000 rupees after adding this amount of deficiency 2,000 rupees. I hope it is very clear to you all with this example, and we can solve another example also that the similar problem will be taken, but some changes would be there. What are the changes? Please read out this example number 2, that Karam, Raj and Geeta, their PSR profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2, and according to deed, the Geeta according to deed, Geeta is to get a minimum profit of rupees 10,000 every year. Now the deficiency, if any, will be borne by Karam and Raj equally. Please note that here we have mentioned that the deficiency, if arises, that is to be borne by the other partners equally. So the problem is same, the figures are same amount of profit 8,000 Geeta is getting and her minimum amount of guarantee is 10,000. So what there would be, what change will be there? Change is that this deficiency of 2000 will be borne by Karam and Raj in the ratio of 1:1. Now, earlier that was being divided among them in their ratio 5:3, but now this time this will be distributed among, or we can say that deficiency will be borne by Karam and Raj in equal ratio, that is 1:1. So the deficiency borne amounts are, the amounts of deficiency to be borne are 1,000 and 1,000 respectively. So these will be the changes. Actual share of Karam regarding to profit was 20,000. Out of this, 1,000 of guarantee amount that would be deducted, which is to be provided to Geeta. Similarly, it is to be made with Raj, and these amounts 1,000 and 1,000 provided by Karam and Raj, these will be added to Geeta's share so that her share can become rupees 10,000. Right? So you can solve this example also, example number 3, and now this is a sample question to you, that example number 3 you can solve it on your own. I hope you had liked this session. If yes, then please like, subscribe and let others know about this video. Thanks to all.